What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on the hardest thing about being a CPA marketer and why so many new people fail at being a CPA marketer, right? Because I mean, it is very simple. Like if you do this right here, right? You got your traffic source, all right? You got your landing page, and you got your offer, all right? This formula right here made me six figures. Right? I even showed you guys step by step how to do this. Like literally, you can go from making no money to like five figures in the course of a few days. Like it's not hard. But the problem with this is this right here. The very first step. Everything else is easy. The landing page is easy. The offer is easy. Collecting the money is easy. But the traffic source, this is going to be your hardest thing to get as a CPA marketer, and that is consistent traffic, right? Because if you go to Facebook, they don't fuck with you. They don't like CPA marketers, right? They don't. Well, and that's not CPA marketers, in general. It's the CPA offers themselves, right? So they don't like CPA offers. You go to Google, they don't like CPA offers. You try to promote through Google on the YouTube platform, they don't like YouTube's. I mean, CPA offers. If you go to Bing, they don't really like CPA offers depending on which one you run. If you try to go on like any of these platforms, even native advertising doesn't really fuck with CPA networks. I mean CPA offers. Like I mean, it depends on how you set them up on native ads and stuff like that. You normally got to be in like a news format depending on which one you go to or whatever. But for the most part, they don't really mess with you either, right? So you just can't get that consistent traffic, and this is the hardest part about being a CPA marketer. And then a lot of people fail at this because again, they just simply can't get traffic. Because like I said, you can build a landing page, you can put the offer on there, and this right here is the easiest thing to do. You can literally set this whole process up right here in like 30 seconds. Boom, you done. Like that is stupid easy, right? To get your landing page up with your offer and you're collecting your money. That part is easy. The hardest part is getting that consistent traffic, because it doesn't matter if you got a traffic source, the winning landing page, and everything that's doing like, let's say you're doing like 1,000x, right? You spend $1 and you get $1,000 back. It doesn't matter if you can't spend $1. If you can't get a single dollar spent on ad revenue, it doesn't matter. Because, Facebook is constantly shutting down your account. Google is constantly shutting down your account. Bing is constantly banning you. Native advertisers, they're shutting down your account. So then you got to go through the whole process of getting these cloakers. And then from there, you got to, find account after account after account. And then, eventually you're going to get burnt out. So then you got to hire a team. And like all of this stuff just so you can consistently get traffic. So this is the hardest part about being a CPA marketer, right? And then if you go into a niche where you're accepted, then it's easier, but it's also harder, right? Because if you go to Facebook, there's you can put a few ads up, get them testing, and excuse me, after like a couple of ads or whatever, you'll be able to find a profitable ad, no problem. But if let's say you go into the adult niche where they don't care what you promote, right? You can run freely. Like you're golden. You don't have to fight the ad network. You don't have to, go through all of this stuff just so you can consistently get traffic. The traffic is there. All you got to do is pull out the credit card or, hand over that PayPal email or that wire payment and you good. Like that's all. Say no more. You can run whatever the hell you want. But down, you got to deal with all the fake traffic. Now you got all this fake traffic. So then you got to, basically pay to get through the fake traffic. So you're like, okay, this website has a bunch of fake traffic. This website has a bunch of fake traffic. This website has a bunch of fake traffic. So you have to, cut all the fake traffic off. And then you're like, oh, okay, this website right here has some good traffic. I'm getting some conversions, right? And then you just go through the whole process of, eliminating and all this stuff. And like that's the easiest way, for you to get traffic as a CPA marketer is in the adult niche, because again, they don't care what you promote. They don't care at all. The only thing is that you need a much bigger budget, especially if you're going to be running something like trial offers or something like that. Just to run a little $30 trial offer, you like literally would need between $5,000 and $10,000 just for that one campaign. And a lot of people think I'll be joking about that stuff. I'm not joking at all, guys. You literally need between $5,000 and $10,000 just to run that one offer, and you are going to lose money, right? That's why I always be talking about the FBA seller people. Like, I mean, you guys have no idea like how much money affiliate marketers lose, like just testing, literally just gathering data, and you guys know 100% out the gate how much money you're gonna make. All you have to do is wait for your shit to sell. You don't have to do anything else. Like, it's just mind blowing, right? But yeah, that is the hardest thing that you're gonna face as a CPA marketer, and this is why so many people fail in this whole little industry here. So if you are a brand new person, and you don't want to have to go through this here, what I would recommend is going in the app niche, right? If you go into the app niche, for the most part, you're normally going to be golden, right? Because, like I said before, you got the Lucktastic, you got Fiverr, you got the Swag Bucks, you got like a bunch of offers that actually work. When it comes to, the making money online niche, 99% of the offers in there are scams. If you go to the weight loss niche, again, 99% of those are scams. If you go to the sweepstakes, 99% of those are scams. So, I mean, you're just wasting people's time. If the offer wastes people's time, don't expect them to, don't expect the network to continue to let your shit go. Like, it's just that simple. Like, let's say you're Facebook or your Google or YouTube or Bing or the native advertising platform, and you got someone that's running a scam on your network, and you got your name right there. So that person sees the scam that you're promoting and associated with your company, or that the other person. You guys know what I'm saying? But like, you wouldn't want that. You wouldn't want that, on your brand. You wouldn't want that on your network, because you want to take care of your customers. You want to take care of your influencers. You want to take care of everybody. So you don't want that garbage on your network. It's just that simple. So start promoting offers that are 100% genuine, or just go into the adult niche. Again, you are going to need some money for something like that. Or you can even get into influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is absolutely amazing as well. I actually just paid this dude like I think it was like $160 or whatever, and he has literally 500,000 followers. 500,000 followers, and he's putting my stuff out there for $160. Now, again, he's not in the United States. Obviously, it'd have been a lot higher, right? But he's not in the United States. So if you can find you an offer that's not in the United States, and you can go somewhere else or whatever and promote an offer that's in the app niche or whatever the case may be, golden, easy money. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, simply put them down below. But yeah, this is why so many people fail as being a CPA marketer. Like I said, it's easy because it's literally just traffic source, landing page, offer. That's easy 6 figures. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. But at the same time, it's getting that consistent traffic. It's getting that traffic that you don't have to worry about, going to be shut down tomorrow. It's getting traffic that, you don't have to worry about your account getting shut down. You don't have to, basically, you just want consistent traffic. And if you don't have consistent traffic, you're dead in this industry. It's just that simple. So again, focus on the apps, or focus on an offer that actually works, that people are actually going to receive the product that they're paying for, that not giving them some hopes and dreams that's, completely unattainable in 30 days, like shit like that. You don't want to promote anything like that. If you wouldn't buy it, don't sell it to someone else. That simple. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And again, if you got any questions, drop them down below.